If you want to start making online, then watch this video to the end. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Also, leave a comment on this video telling us what you've learned from this video. Let's get started. We've learned a lot by now, but still the entire thing is very abstract and hypothetical. That is to say that at this point, we don't actually have anything to sell. So now we need to actually find the products we want to sell and get them shipped to Amazon. This does present a few challenges, but it's nothing we can't handle. There are lots of places that you can find products to resell, and of course you do have the option of going direct to the manufacturers. You can also opt to create your own products and get them shipped to Amazon. But by far the most useful and efficient strategy for you will be to use Alibaba, www.alibaba.com. Alibaba is to wholesalers what Amazon is to direct B2C sellers. That is to say that it provides an easy method to connect wholesalers to resellers, giving us a listing we can use to browse through the many different offerings on the site. You can search for practically any product here, and you'll be presented with a selection of offerings from different warehouses, at different prices, with different minimum orders. You can then easily pick the one that best suits your needs, and then have it shipped direct to Amazon's fulfillment centers. The good news is that almost any company listing a product here will be more than happy to deliver to Amazon. It is functionally no different for them. Many of these listings are white label products. This is exciting, because it means you can actually have your branding added to the product. The buyer will never know that a third party was involved, and that you didn't manufacture the product yourself. How to choose a product to sell? Now you know precisely the kind of thing you are looking for, you just need someone that is going to let you sell it on their behalf. As mentioned, Alibaba sells just about every product under the sun, meaning that no matter what you want to sell, you will likely find a wholesaler to work with. If you can't find it, then you can always speak to one of the manufacturers about creating your own products. This is very standard practice and surprisingly easy to do. But before you get carried away and choose your supplier, you first need to make sure that they meet all of Amazon's requirements, and that you will actually be able to make a profit for them. First, look at the cost per unit of the item. That's how much you are going to pay for that product. Ask yourself if you can sell this at a high enough markup to make profit after the other associated costs. Remember, you're going to need to pay for the bulk order, freight forwarding, Amazon's carrier, Amazon's fees, potential returns, any packaging, any marketing. If you're giving yourself a headache trying to run this math, then you can use a tool like the AMZSQ FBA free calculator, https://amzscout.net/FBA-fee-calculator/closing parenthesis. A general rule of thumb to remember is that you will normally charge twice the cost per unit you pay. So if you buy jeans that cost $20 each per unit, then you will normally sell those on at $40 per unit. Just keep in mind what the competition is doing, whether your product is worth that much, and whether there is wiggle room for sales and discounts. Keeping a spreadsheet also helps, and it's always a good idea to expect the worst. Next, look at the minimum order. Some are very large, thousands, others are extremely small. In some cases, you can buy just 2 items, and then sell those through Amazon. If you're concerned about this whole notion and want to try a non-threatening sales strategy, then this is a brilliant way to go about it. Add 2 items to your listing, see if they sell, and know that you didn't lose that much money if they didn't. Now click on the first link in the description. There will be a free video showing you the easiest way to make money online. Thanks for watching.